Samadham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, what is the rightful ownership of the living entity? That is to be understood. Birthright, what is called birthright. Just like everyone has got right to live under the protection of the government. Everyone. That is good government. Government should give security of life and property. That is government. Not only for the human being, but for the ant. This is God. Not that I give protection to my brother and not to others. That is not. Just like Parīkṣit Maharaj. He was giving protection to the animals also. When he was on his tour, as soon as he saw that a black man was trying to kill one cow, immediately he took his sword. Who are you? You are trying to kill? So this is good government. Unless the government is equal to everyone, just like God is equal to everyone. The king or the government must be representative of God. Therefore, according to Vedic civilization, king is offered as good respect as to the Supreme Personality of God. King is called Nara-Deva. Nara-Deva. That means God in human form. King is given. Why? Because he acts as the representative of God. He cannot be jealous to any living entity, at least born in his kingdom. That is called praja. Praja means one who has taken birth, or in other words, national. So that was the duty. So, formerly, when there was fight between two kings, it is on the principle that who is giving good protection to the citizens, not for personal profit. Who is able to give good protection, life, security for life and property, he should become king. So, these persons, these Dhṛtarāṣṭra and his sons, they are jealous how they could give protection to the citizens. They are themselves jealous. Just like nowadays, all these politicians, they are jealous. They cannot give any protection to the citizens. They are simply interested with their party politics. They have no time even to think how to give nice protection to the citizen so that they may feel happy always that we have got good government, there is no cause of anxiety. We have got sufficient food, sufficient protection, sufficient opulence, everything sufficient. And that is good law. So, here, Dhṛtarāṣṭra, he is jealous. He cannot give any good government. Krishna knew it. Krishna sent a messenger, Akrura. You have read in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Before this battle of Kurukshetra from he sent his uncle, Akrura, just go to Hastinapur, New Delhi, and see what is the situation. So Krura understood that Dhṛtarāṣṭra was planning something. So he talked with him that why you are implicated in such planning. Krishna does not want it. Although Dhṛtarāṣṭra knew that Krishna was the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So Dhṛtarāṣṭra said that I know that what I am planning, that is not good. I know Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and he has requested me. But I tell you frankly, I cannot do without it. So when Krishna will be pleased upon me, I may be. So this is the position of the materialistic person. A materialistic person knows that he is sinful. A materialistic person knows that whatever he is doing is wrong, but he cannot check. Just like a thief. A thief knows that if he commits stealing, he will be arrested, he will be punished. He knows, because he heard from law books, from other sources, and he has also seen that a thief is arrested and is taken by the police for being punished. So we have got two kinds of experiences, by hearing and by seeing, direct. In Bengali it is called Dakha Shuna. In India it is called. The two kinds of experience. One by seeing, practically experiencing, hand to hand. Another by hearing. So one who is intelligent, he gets his experience simply by hearing from the right source. That is nice. So our process is that we are getting experience about the perfect knowledge, the destination of life, simply by hearing from Krishna. So we are the most intelligent person. It is not possible to experience directly. But if one has got intelligence, then simply by hearing and considering and thinking over it, he gets the experience. So, those who are very sinful, they get experience by hearing and by directly seeing also. Still they cannot check from sinful activities. So Dhṛtarāṣṭra, by his sinful activities, he became so much fallen that he did not hear anybody's advice, Viduru's advice, Bhishma's advice, that don't plan like this. They are rightful owners. The Pandavas, they are rightful owners. They are minor, but don't try to cheat them. But Dhṛtarāṣṭra was. So when the planning was complete and the war field was set up at dharma-kshetra, Kurukshetra. Dharma-kshetra means Kurukshetra, that place is a pilgrimage. People still go to observe religious, ritualistic performances, and in the Vedas there is injunction, Kurukshetra dharma-ācārya. If you want to perform some ritualistic ceremonies, religious, then go to Kurukshetra. So Kurukshetra is a dharma-kshetra. It is not a fictitious thing, just like rascal commentators, so-called, they say Kurukshetra means this body. It is not that. As it is. Try to understand Bhagavad-gītā as it is. Kurukshetra, dharma-kshetra. It is a place of religion. And especially when Krishna was present there, it is already. Why this house? Before our occupation, why this house was an ordinary house? Now it is temple. It is dharma-kshetra. It is a religious place. Why? Because Krishna is there. Krishna is there. So, either you take Kurukshetra, ordinary place, but because in the battlefield Krishna was there directing Arjuna, so it is already dharma-kshetra. So formally people were religiously trained up, so they could not speak lies in a dharma-kshetra. That is still the practice, just like in the Western world, the Christians go to the church, they admit confession. Yes, I have done it. But that has become a formality. But actually, one should admit in religious place that yes, I have done it. But that does not mean you admit and again do it. No. You admit once, then you are excused. But don't do it again. Hare Krishna,